Hey guys, Red Pet Mining here. Hope you're doing well. Having a really great day this video. Alright, I have been sent something that I have no clue about, but apparently it's called the Matches INIBox or INIBox. $INI is the coin that this thing mines, and I have absolutely no idea what INI is, but the full name of the coin is called InitVerse. And I think it's a recently new launched coin, and there's only one mining pool at this point in time. I have absolutely no idea if this thing is profitable or not. I'm gonna do like a couple days test, but that's gonna be for another video. This video, I'm just gonna unbox this and kind of just check out what we're mining. And obviously, am I recommending anyone going out and buying one of these things? No, definitely not. There's a lot of risks involved, but you guys already know this for those that watch my channel. Anyways, let's just look at the box here. So first impression here on the outside here, the brand, the manufacturer of this is called Matches. I have never heard of this manufacturer before. Matches. Have you guys? I'm kind of afraid of this fire symbol here. Does that mean that this miner is going to go on fire? Just kidding. But thank you to aslminer.com for sending me this INI box. Okay, so let's open it up now. All right, we're going to do this real time here. I just got this just yesterday. I didn't have much, time to really, do any research about this miner at all. Other than it's one of those small box miners, which I think it might look like one of those gold shell units, but it apparently does 850 mega hash at about 480 to 500 watts. Okay, so let's see inside the box here to show you guys here. All right, here we go. Okay, let me take this foam. Let's just take this whole foam piece out here. Okay, nothing else in the box. All right, it's just wrapped in this foam piece here. Nothing, no power cable, nothing. So it looks like I'm gonna have to provide my own power here, but all right, okay, no, this does not look like a gold shell unit. This is definitely something new I have never seen before like this. All right, so first impression here. All right, we got a 120 mil fan back here. We got 3 6-pin PCIe. It says 12 volt at 40 amp. Okay, all right, here is the Matches sticker on the side here. All right, so you can see the power model, INIBox, Matches, INIBox.shop. Okay, then as well as the top, there's a sticker for the INI there. Okay, the IO, we got Ethernet, IP, reset button, TF card, fault. Okay, so pretty typical ASIC miner. And then there is a nice 120 mil fan on the front here. Okay. Alright, so 850 mega hashes apparently at 480 watts. So, alright, well, it looks like I'm going to have to provide my own power supply, so let me get that. Be right back. Okay, I got my own 750 watt power supply, HP server PSU, and a parallel miner breakout board, which the parallel miner is out of business. They closed, so they're no longer going to be providing this kind of stuff. So the alternative, if people are looking to power these types of things now with PCIe, little box miners, it's probably just going to be regular ATX power supplies with PCIe cables. So, but anyways, I'm going to be using my own here with Veteran Miner PCIe cables and GPUcables.com. So let's plug her in. Okay, let's plug in the first PCIe at the top here. Okay, that one worked. Next one. Third one. All right, INI, very interesting. Okay, all right, PCIe is in, plugged in. Now, let's go ahead. I'm gonna plug in the Ethernet for this right here. Does this have Wi-Fi? There's no Wi-Fi. All right, no Wi-Fi. I don't see any Wi-Fi thing on the back. Nope, nothing like that. Okay, all right, let's plug in the power and let's turn her on. And let's see how loud this thing is. I don't expect this thing to be loud. Okay, so powering the 750 watt. Okay. All right, here we go. All right, here we go. First time turn on. 3, 2, 1. And it is not loud at all. 65. It's not loud at all. 62, 65 decibels. Back here, if I'm like a couple feet away, 56 decibels. Yeah. This thing's actually very quiet. Actually very, very quiet. Okay, so it's on now. Alright, so let's go in the computer and let's look at the web GUI. I don't know what the web GUI looks like, so I'll see you guys on the computer. Okay, so few funny things. I thought that wouldn't happen, but so I used advanced IP scanner to find the IP address. That was fine. It's got a host name of INIBox, right? So that's all well and good. I put the IP in the web browser, but nothing comes up. And I even tried, HTTP, maybe it doesn't have SSL, doesn't work. And I tried, HTTPS, and that obviously doesn't let me go through either. So there's no way to access this through the web browser. So I went to the INIBox.shop website, okay? And there I had to make an account, and I went to software download, and it downloaded a little program called INIBox Tool version 1.2. So I clicked on that, then this came up, okay, and apparently the password is INIBox. And this is all gibberish. There we go, and there we go. So this is how I access the INIBox here. So I'm going in this brand new. So now I'm going to enter in the pool URL and the worker name password. So that looks all well and good. It looks like I need to find the IP range, and so my IP range is going to be actually, you know what? Let's remove that. Let's just go 10.100.100.1, and then we're gonna go, because my IP range 10.100.100 255. Okay, so now which button? I can't read Chinese. Is this one gonna say scan? Sure. Okay, and yeah, it's scanning. I click this button. It looks like it's scanning all the IPs, and yeah, it found it. Okay, yes, this one 111, and it looks like it's already mining. I see 471 watts at the wall. All right, so now I want to configure this. Okay, so how do I do that? Okay, so I'm gonna... Alright, so there's only one mining pool right now, and that's gonna be yatespool.com. Alright, so yeah, there's nothing on miningpoolstats.stream about this coin, so yeah, nothing shows there. Just to show you guys here, nothing shows up on mining pool stats, so it's pretty new. Alright, so there are some mining servers here. I'm gonna copy... I was told that port 31556 or 557 would be good enough for the INIBox. So I'm gonna copy the stratum pool here. Okay, I gotta go back to the software. This is definitely new for me here. Oh, we also need the port, so I'm gonna copy the port, or type in the port there, :31556. I'm gonna copy that for the second one here, and 31557. Just going to copy the first one to the third one. Okay, now worker. Okay, now so there are a few exchanges for this INI here, and it looks like it did have some price appreciation here. Looking at the coins, okay, if I go to markets, there is XC.com or MEXC. Now, I'm in Canada, and I'm unable to sign up for these exchanges, so I have to use their, I believe this is their wallet here, ClownWallet.com. So I've already installed it, and I'm going to get the deposit address. So I'm going to copy that. Let's go back to the software here. I'm going to paste that in here for the worker name, and maybe do a period, and then INIBox RPM. Yeah, let's do that. Okay, copy and paste, select. Okay, there we go. All right, I did that for all three. Password 1334556. I'm just going to do XXX. Okay, now, how do I apply this to the miner? All right, it's been about 30 minutes. I was trying to get in contact with the developers of the matches INIBox, and they sent me a screenshot. I'll show you guys here of how the software works. I don't have it in English, obviously. So yeah, what we did first correctly was the sync button. So we did that first. We put in our IP range. Okay, I'm in the same local network, which you need to be in order to sync with this device, right? And then make sure that this one is on. This button means in Chinese, this one's automatic IP. So leave that checked. Then this part here needs to be to be able to customize. We want to customize to be adding in this information that we put in, mining pool, our worker name, etc. Then at the top to apply it, okay, we need to click on this apply button, okay, which is going to be the fourth one down. So I'm going to click on that now, and we'll see if it applies. I'm assuming this means yes. Password, INIBox. Okay. It says, I'm assuming this means to apply this information. Looks correct. Let's hit yes. And I hear it rebooting. All right, so it's rebooting right now, and we'll see if it joins up at the pool level. I will put in my wallet address. Okay, so it's the miner address for this. So we're going to go back to my receiving address of this wallet, the ClownWallet, and copy that, go back to the pool, paste that in, and we'll wait for this to come up. It's just rebooting now. It's at 10 watts, so I'll be right back. Okay, literally in real time, they sent me the English version of the tool. So let me run it here, and we'll just see if it's in English. Please enter password. All right, INIBox. Okay. Yeah, that looks better. It looks like, yeah, restart, export list, start monitor, scan. Nice. This is in my language now. So thank you to them. They were, yeah, I asked for the English version. They're like, okay, we're working on it right now. I'm like, oh, perfect. So literally, as of recording this video, they sent me the English version. So this is great. Scan, okay. IP address custom, no change, okay. Look at that, scanning, and there's the rig. There's the miner right there. Okay, success. Okay, well, I don't need to go through this now because I've already configured the mining pool information. Looks like they've entered that in. All right, so that's all I had to do. But anyways, it's mining. Okay, so, oh, I hit the back button. There we go. All right, so I put on my wallet address and on the pool, and we can see it. It looks like it's connected. 810 valid shares. It's doing something. Online machine 1. Mining machines tab here. This is really interesting. Mining machine 100X111. Oh, this name sounds very familiar. Wait, I did put my own name, so looks like it didn't. Looks like it didn't take. But this name sounds very familiar. Earnings. Okay, 1 day estimated earnings 187 INI. All right, so there were no mining calculators or anything regarding, you know, on mining now, they don't have the INI profitability. On ASIC miner value, they don't have it as well. I searched it up, couldn't find any INI box profitability. So, okay, so it says on the pool that I'm supposed to earn about 187. We don't know if that's true or not, but that's going to be roughly, as of recording, $24 USD worth. Now, is that going to stick? Is that going to be like that forever? I think I'm one of the first people to receive this miner. So obviously, as we all know, when first batch comes out, profitability is good for maybe a week or two or more, and then it drops down as everyone starts receiving it. So yeah, it's going to probably not be as profitable as people get these in their hands as to what we've experienced with XT boxes, lithium boxes, Casper miners, all that sort. Everyone understands that. So everyone that's thinking about getting one of these things, just understand the risks before you get into this. But okay, well, I'm now going to let this go for the next day or two and see how much I've exactly earned on this INIBox. But let's go outside now and let's just have some final thoughts. Okay, so the INIBox. All right, well, it's mining. It's doing something for sure. 474 watts, so it was advertised at 480 watts at about 850 mega hash. I mean, according to the pool level, it says we're at 884. Is that in mega hash, I believe? And yeah, so looks like we are earning some INI already. Looks like a 3.11 there. just started, but now looks like the daily earnings has gone up, so we'll see. Okay, I'll update you guys in another video once I have seen how much we have actually earned in InitVerse. Okay, this thing actually, it feels solid. I like the casing. It's actually very similar to like the gold shell case, but this is a different size, it seems. It's not like the 80 mil fans, you know, like the gold shells have, gold shell boxes, but this is a 120 mil fan, and I can feel a good amount of airflow and actually a good amount of heat as well. I mean, 400, 500 watts, pretty decent amount of heat, but there's no Wi-Fi, so anyone considering this as a heater, you're gonna need to plug in. Yeah, you're gonna need to plug in, but please do your own research regarding InitVerse. I really don't know much about it. I did a little bit of research regarding its ecosystem coin. You can build dApps on it. Had some like 50 Bitcoin investment or of some sort. I don't know if I really don't know if this is going to be a project that's going to take off or not, but for some reason now they have a miner and they're selling these, and it's I think $3,000, almost $3,000 for one of these things. So again, as everyone knows, as this is I think making $20, $30 a day right now, tomorrow, the next couple of weeks, it's probably going to go down as people get into this, as people, you know, find out what this miner is. But please do your own research, and if you're going to take that risk, link down below to aslminer.com that sells the INIBox here from Matches. Pretty cool branding, I think. All right, let me know your guys' thoughts. I'll see you on the next video. If you made it to the end of this video, I'm going to choose a winner for a couple days hash rate of this INIBox. So just comment down below your guys' thoughts about this, and I'll choose the winner after a couple days, because I need to get a couple days hash rate from this. So when this video releases, I'll choose the winner in a couple days. Okay, so all right, let me know your guys' thoughts about it. Get your comments down below, hit that like. All right, I'll see you on the next one. Have a good one. Peace out. Peace out.